Service benefit testimonial Tuesday audio. Service benefit testimonial is when we unofficially share how we have benefited from a product or service. And this in turn down the line can assist the other business with increasing their client base. Some people have said that I have assisted them with their social media or tech assistance that they needed. I'm a little bit of a geek. Or people have said I took a sales course to really help me increase my sales by 30% and I'm closing more deals. They have worked with a mentor or a coach. It's helped them gain more prospective clients and increase their revenue. I had been referred to someone or a couple people a few times. They said, we got referred to you by a few people within our network. And sometimes I had purchased a service and I said, I've purchased a service and actually it's really assisted me with where I needed. It was a great ROI, return on investment. These are service benefit testimonials where maybe it's not an official testimonial at that moment, but we're mentioning what we have gained. People will always talk about courses they've taken, things they've done, products they've purchased, and their satisfaction or dissatisfaction. So it's either it's a testimonial or it's an untestimonial.